Hi, this is a recording for business continuity, and my name is Ujayi Tumabi, and I'm here to discuss the business continuity plan. Um, to get to write a business continuity plan, one has to do a business impact analysis, which analyzes uh, uh, the critical assets of the company. That one is doing the plan on. Um, you also have to do a risk assessment as well as a disaster recovery plan. The company I'm writing on is Integra Quest, which is a cybersecurity company. It's a security operations center, and this is a company that cannot afford to go down because of the nature of the services it's offering to its clients. In this scenario, it will have a service level agreement with many of the clients that will not tolerate any downtime on part of the company. Now, with regards to the BCP, the BCP, I probably divided it into about four um, uh, chapters, which is chapter one was dealing with a bit of introduction and then going on to discuss topics like how you set up the emergency response units throughout the company. And then you go on to um, discussing the critical assets of the company. And that's where you conduct the risk assessment. And then also after that, I discussed maintenance, which is part of the process of making sure that the BCP, which is a living document, it's supposed to be tested all the time and enhanced. And also it takes into consideration that a lot of things change in a company. Structures and systems are upgraded, and people leave. So this is a document that has to be updated regularly. And then finally, I discussed testing the BCP itself, which is with a view to making sure that after the test, there's a lesson learned, which draws upon all of the mistakes and the observations of the test, and this is further incorporated into the business continuity plan, and this is then updated and signed off by a responsible senior person in the company, senior management person. Now, the testing, there are three notable tests that are conducted with a business continuity plan. You have the tabletop test, you have the walkthrough, and you also have the full simulated test. The tabletop test is more, it's advisable to do that about every 2 months. The walkthrough probably about a quarterly, and the full test varies. It's suggested in some quarters that that should be done every 6 months, but at least it should be done once a year. Um, the business continuity plan itself um, primarily has a focus point in the business continuity coordinator, which is he is the one who will be chosen or designated to coordinate the activities of business continuity in a company. With regards to this coordinator, then in Integra Quest, the company I've chosen, there are what I call area management teams, AMTs. Um, these are sub units, and they all come together in the business continuity management team, the BCMT. This interfaces with the senior management. The BCMT has the chief information security officer of the company involved. He is in fact the one who signs up on the BCP when it is upgraded, and so, with regards to the business impact analysis, that was conducted and very much discovered that it's left no room for a downtime in terms of the operations of the company, and so it meant that everyone has had to be up and doing with regards to coming to understand that if there's a major disruption, the BCP plan has to be activated as quickly as possible. And so the focus of the BCP is knowledgeable activation on the part of all that are concerned. Thank you. My time is up. Thank you very much.